Do you want to make money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you 7 proven passive income ideas for 2025. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or an entrepreneur, these strategies can help you create financial freedom step by step. Let's dive in. Passive income is money you earn without actively trading your time for it. Unlike a regular job, it continues to pay you even when you're not working. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it once, and it keeps giving you fruit for years. Today, I'll explain 7 passive income ideas, how to start, and real-life examples for each one. At the end, I'll share the biggest mistakes people make while building passive income, so you can avoid them. Idea 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning their stock. Open a brokerage account. Research dividend-paying companies like Coca-Cola or Apple. Start small and reinvest your dividends. Example: if you invest $5,000 in a stock paying 5% annually, that's $250 passive income every year, without doing anything. Idea 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. How to start. Pick a niche you're passionate about, like tech gadgets or fitness. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share links through blogs, YouTube, or social media. Example: a fitness blogger recommends protein powders. Every time someone buys through their link, they earn 10% commission. Idea 3. Sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses can generate income for years after creation. How to start. Identify a problem people are searching to solve. Create a product, like a budgeting spreadsheet or beginner's Photoshop course. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy. Example: Sarah created a $15 budgeting template. She sells 500 copies a year, equals $7,500 passive income. Idea 4. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. The printing, packing, and shipping is handled by the company. How to start. Create designs using Canva or Photoshop. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. When someone buys, you get a profit margin. Example: John's t-shirt store sells 50 shirts a month with $5 profit each, equals $250 monthly passive income. Idea 5. Real estate rentals. Renting out property is a classic passive income method. You can also use Airbnb to rent rooms or apartments short-term. How to start. Buy a property or sublet with permission, list it on platforms like Airbnb, hire a property manager to handle maintenance. Example: Maria rents her extra room on Airbnb and earns $1,000 a month with minimal effort. Idea 6. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face to earn from YouTube. Channels like Top 10 Facts or Motivational Quotes use voiceovers and stock footage. How to start. Pick a niche: finance, motivation, or tech. Hire freelancers for script writing, voiceovers, and editing. Monetize with ads and sponsorships. Idea 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending means lending money to individuals or businesses online and earning interest. How to start. Join platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Invest small amounts across multiple loans to reduce risk. Example: if you lend $1,000 at 8% interest, you earn $80 annually, completely passively. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are 3 mistakes people make. Starting too many passive income streams at once. Expecting overnight results. Most ideas take months to build. Not reinvesting profits to scale faster. Which passive income idea excites you the most? Comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Your journey to passive income starts today. Don't wait, start building your future now.